Hello everyone and welcome to TutelAGeek. On today's video, we are going to see how we can select only visible cells. There are times that we have hidden rows and columns and we are trying to select only visible ones to either copy them or paste something in them and it does not work properly. If this is something that interests you, let's get started. We have the same view we used on the if error video, so we generated some random numbers in columns A and B, and then in column C we divided A2 by B2. Let's identify the problem. When we filter our data, Excel recognizes it. So if we copy the visible cells and paste them here, only the ones we selected will show up. However, if we hide our cells using the groups method we saw on a previous video, which I will link in the description and up there, we will select a few rows, group them, and then hide them. When we go to copy and paste them elsewhere, Excel will not recognize the hidden cells, so it will paste everything. The same applies when we manually hide cells. So we will hide all of the rows that are not showing errors on column C, using both the groups method and the manual one. If we copy the remaining table and paste it somewhere without hidden rows, we see that it pastes even the hidden ones. Also, if we want to paste something on these cells, for example, write not possible, copy it and try to paste it on the visible cells, we can see that it was pasted everywhere. Now on the solutions. There are 4 ways we can deal with this problem. The first one we saw in the beginning of the video, and it is to filter the cells instead of hiding them. That will solve our problem quickly if we can filter the ones we want easily. The second way is to select the cells we want. We go to the ribbon on the far right in the Home tab where the editing group is. We click on the Find and Select and we choose the Go to Special. We find the visible cells only and we click OK. We can see that the selection has changed slightly and there is a small gap in between each cell. So if we go now and paste again, we see that this time it was done correctly. The third way we can do this is by using keyboard shortcuts. We select the cells that we want and press Alt and semicolon. It is easy and quick if you remember the shortcut, and we can double check that it worked. The fourth and final way is if we come up to the top bar of our Excel, where the autosave button is, we right-click and select Show Quick Access Toolbar. As we said in a previous video, I will link in the description, with the updated version of Microsoft Excel, the Quick Access Toolbar was moved just above the formula bar, and we can add our most used buttons here. I'll do a dedicated video for this, but for now we come to the small arrow that says Customize Quick Access Toolbar, press it, and we go to the More commands. We make sure that on the left we have selected the Quick Access Toolbar, because the first time I was trying this, I had somehow selected something else and I couldn't get it done. But since we have confirmed that we have selected the Quick Access Toolbar, we go to the left table where we choose the commands we want to add and we click on the top where it says Choose Commands From. We click on the popular commands and we select All Commands. And the list will be alphabetically sorted, so we either scroll to S or we click a random command and type S, which will move us to the beginning of the S command. And we scroll down until we find the Select Visible Cells. We click Add, then OK, and now the Select Visible Cells command is the first one we see on the Quick Access Toolbar. If we select our cells again, we press on the button we just added, we see that it selected only the visible cells, or we copy the Not Possible note, We select the 4 cells in column C, we click our Select Visible Cells button, and we paste. If you have the previous Excel version, you'll find this arrow somewhere up here. There will be a Save and Autosave button, a Redo and Undo, and then you'll find the same arrow and you will be able to add the Select Visible Cells the same way that I did. And when you want to use it, it will be up here instead. This was it for today's video. I hope it was useful. You can like this video and subscribe to the channel for more content on productivity apps. Thank you for watching, and I will see you on the next one. Bye!